Will AI eliminate jobs? Yes. Will AI change jobs? Yes. Will it create new jobs? Probably. Governments are going to use it. Your competitors are going to use it. However, this will go too fast. You have to be better, faster, cheaper. If you put your head in the sand, you will lose. These are the statements of Jamie Dimon, the CEO of JP Morgan, at the recent World Economic Forum annual meeting at Davos. His views fully complement the concept called the law of accelerating returns, a term coined by Ray Kurzweil in his book The Singularity is Near. This is about the exponential growth of IT. Technology accelerates so fast, it will affect every aspect of our human lives. Technology feeds on itself, improves itself. It uses tools to build new tools. Because of these exponential advances, we are faced with a lot of uncertainties. This zone of uncertainty is what we call the surprise factor. Let's inject a bit of neuroscience in this equation. Research shows that we are more stressed when we are told that we have a 50% chance of getting an electric shock than when we are told that we had a 100% chance. Wild, right? We'd rather be sure that a bad thing will happen than we have to deal with any uncertainty. That's why a lot fall on the resistor bucket, one of the 9 archetypes of the Thrive Stock framework. Moore's law, scaling laws, they are just subsets of the law of accelerating returns. Moore's law is the observation that the number of transistors in every microchip doubles roughly every 2 years, leading to the exponential increases in computing speed and power while costs drop. Scaling laws, on the other hand, prove that increasing compute and data leads to exponential growth in an AI model's intelligence. Moore's law gives us a linear path, but AI scaling laws align with the trajectory of the law of accelerating returns. Compounding on compounding, this is how linear thinking fails in an accelerating world. Let me share with you a sneak peek of the latest book entitled Thrive Not Stuck. I'll show you how the Thrive Stuck framework helps you map an organization's or leader's mindset and the level of commitment to change, typically along 2 axes. The mindset axis from resistant to ready, and the commitment axis from passive to active. The Thrive Stack framework is a diagnostic tool used to assess organizational readiness for transformation. The framework helps leaders move from passive resistance toward active, ready leadership. In short, the Thrive Stack framework is a practical, strategic model rather than a formal academic or psychological theory, aimed primarily at business leaders navigating disruption. All this I will discuss in great detail at an event on March 3 organized by Fiera de Manila entitled Let AI Do the Work. For more details, you can visit thrivestock.com or the link in the comment section. Join us!